we get to do this at the high school. We get to do this with our students. It's a great opportunity for them, and anything that we can do to start building that sailor spirit, in our youngest members is awesome.
For me, it's especially fun coming back to this building. So I spent the first part of my career here teaching the students, and to come back and see everybody be part of the game is really special.
RES, Norton Shores, go blue! We're going to say sails up on 3. So when we lift our sail, this is our sail, okay? Are you guys ready? And then you're going to clap 2 times at the end. Watch them first, and then you can do it.
Sails up on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Sails up.
Oh, they're great. I mean, these are students who would have normally had a late start this morning and got up early and lugged all the equipment here, and they do it with a smile, and they love playing, and it's awesome. They're great to work with.
So really, really important idea. I mean, that connection, to see that we are one school, one community, one Sailor Nation, I think is a really important thing.